Waterproof tonneau covers protect truck beds from rain, dust, snow, UV damage, ensuring cargo safety in all weather conditions reliably. My today's video is about top 5 best waterproof tonneau covers for all weather that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Tyger Auto Soft Roll-Up Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This premium truck bed cover is a perfect upgrade for 2019 to 2026 Ram 1500 models with a 5 feet 7 inches bed, offering a secure and stylish solution for protecting cargo. Designed with a US patented dual-coated 24 ounces marine-grade vinyl, it ensures long-lasting durability against harsh weather conditions. The built-in horizontal crossbars provide strong support when flat while allowing easy roll-up access for full bed use when needed. Constructed with aircraft-grade aluminum side rails and stainless steel clamps, the cover guarantees a solid and reliable fit. The Velcro side sealing combined with a latch lock system at the tailgate enhances security, while the adjustable tension system keeps the cover tight and wrinkle-free in all climates. Installation is simple and drill-free, with all hardware included. However, minor modifications may be needed for certain bed liners. Backed by a 5-year warranty for U.S. customers, this cover delivers excellent value, protection, and convenience for everyday truck users. Now our second product is Autosaver 88 Soft Quad-Fold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. This tonneau cover is a well-designed upgrade for Dodge Ram 1500 owners with a 5.7-foot bed, 2009 to 2026 models, including classic and new body style. It offers a precise custom fit, ensuring reliable cargo protection while maintaining full compatibility for trucks without ram box, split tailgate, or bed track system. Installation is quick and hassle-free with its bolt-on, no-drill design. The included hardware and instructions make setup simple, and the roll-up system allows easy access to the truck bed by securing the cover with a strap, offering more flexibility than traditional trifold covers. Its upgraded buckle system enhances safety and durability. The front safety buckle with aluminum wire prevents deformation, while the rear clamp uses an adhesive-coated bolt to avoid thread damage. A spring latch structure further improves security during driving. With a sleek, modern profile, it enhances truck appearance while protecting cargo. Built from UV and cold-resistant PVC, this Autosaver 88 Soft Quad-Fold Cover delivers strong all-weather performance and long-lasting protection. Our third product is Real Truck Folding Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The BAK Flip MX4 Truck Bed Cover is a premium upgrade designed for 2021 to 2026 Ford F-150 models, including Raptor and Lightning with a 5 feet 7 inches, 67.1 inch bed. Known as one of the best-selling truck bed covers worldwide, this updated Gen 3 version delivers even stronger performance and security than before. Its upgraded auto-latch locking system provides enhanced theft resistance, keeping your cargo securely locked down whether parked or on the move. The improved sealing system and precision fit clamps ensure excellent weather protection, helping to keep water, dust, and debris out even in harsh conditions. Engineered for extreme environments, it has been rigorously tested from -40 degrees Fahrenheit to 180 degrees Fahrenheit and up to 95% humidity, making it reliable from cold Alaska winters to hot Florida summers. Backed by a 5-year warranty, it offers long-term peace of mind. One of its biggest advantages is full bed access. Simply fold it up to the cab and secure it, allowing maximum cargo flexibility without removing the cover. Now number 4, Baselma's Soft Quad-Fold Tonneau Cover. This quad-fold tonneau cover is a practical and well-designed upgrade for Dodge Ram 1500 owners, 2009 to 2018 models and 2019 to 2025 classic and new body style, with a 5 feet 7 inches, 67.4 inch, fleet-side bed. It is built specifically for trucks without ram box and split tailgate, ensuring a proper custom-style fit. One of its strongest points is the tight sealing system. The dual foam edge design provides both support and sealing, helping reduce gaps between the cover and truck bed for better protection against dust and moisture. The unique arch design is another highlight, preventing water from pooling on the surface and improving overall waterproof performance. Installation is extremely easy and beginner-friendly. Since it comes fully assembled, there is no need for tools, drilling, or extra setup. Just position it on the bed and clamp the rails in place. Made from flexible, easy-to-clean PVC material, it offers durability and a clean appearance. Overall, this cover combines convenience, weather protection, and solid everyday usability. And our last choice is Edro Soft Trifold Truck Bed Tonneau Cover. The Edro Truck Bed Cover is a strong and reliable choice for Chevy Colorado and GMC Canyon owners, 2015 to 2025, with a 5.2-foot fleet-side bed. It offers a precise fit across multiple model years, ensuring dependable coverage and protection for everyday use. Built from heavy-duty double-layer PVC, this cover is designed for long-lasting durability, UV resistance, and improved tensile strength. The inclusion of powder-coated rails and aluminum clamps adds extra stability, making it solid and secure once installed. One of its key advantages is security. The trifold design, combined with tailgate locking, transforms the truck bed into a safe, enclosed storage space that helps protect cargo from snow, dust, and weather elements. Waterproof strips further enhance all-around protection in different conditions. Installation is simple and mostly tool-free, requiring no drilling in most cases. The step-by-step instructions make setup easy, though minor adjustments may be needed depending on bed liner type. Overall, this tonneau cover delivers durability, convenience, and strong all-weather protection for daily truck use. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.